it has this garage which can open, and also this fire truck comes out. See? Look, it comes out. And also, this thing can also come up and then rescue. It's kind of fun to play. Like, look, it can reach high height. It's even higher than the FireStation. And it also has this helicopter, which its wing can, like, spin. Even this can spin. And it also has some water shooting out. It looks so cool over there. And it also has a helipad on the full station. So that's also good for it. It also has this car which carries some packs when they go in fire. Like, do you remember those oxygen packs where you can breathe? It's them. So this is what it does. And also, this thing can open and close. So yeah, that's also. Yeah. It also says fire protection on both sides. There's also some humans and a light on both sides. If you can see, look, there is a light. It also has an office over here. It has some glass windows, and also over here the door opens. And also on the back side, it's a place where you can play with. So I'll show you the back side now. On the back side, if you can see, it has this spinning chair where the boss stays, and then there's another spot where you put some money and he really gives money away or something. I don't know, but it's very useful.